Okay, see, I have to start over. YouTube won't have this little high quality thing anymore. See, damn, get out. You don't want Bobby. You don't want Ron saying we gotta represent in your car. And then Bobby come in your face and say we gotta represent in your car. And he punch Bobby in the face. And then Bobby pick you up and body slam. I mean Bobby, look how small I am. Come out Bobby. You get down Bobby. Out Bobby. Play around. No. Okay, but anyways, see that's why I got motorized bike. See, I was old enough to drive in 2004. At the end of 2004. See, I'm not really that old. And then mostly in 2005, I was old enough to drive. I'm not, but fuck that. Okay, it's way in 2012. Okay, I got a motorized bike. See what you do? This is some tips. People, I am with people, and people do have problems, and I have a problem, and I had a motorized bike, and other people got motorized bike, and they have problems, and I got problems, and I'm gonna explain the problem. I'm gonna tell you how to fix the problem. Like when you try to crank it up and it go oh. I mean, a motorized bike is the best thing to do. You than Bobby picking you up in the damn air, unless you got a lot of money. Unless you don't want to call 411 pain or you don't want to die in a car crash. I mean, I know how to drive. You don't want nobody flying a big ass semi truck killing you just because you driving in a car that you paying a lot of money on because junk drivers on the street. That's why I got a motorized bike and my hands smell like gas. So it's are you sweating? It's June. I mean it's actually June, man. It's the middle of the summer. It's hot. It's the hottest. It's June and something happened to the sun. Oh, I'm sweating. Why it's not going? Pop, 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 pop. I'm gonna tell you how. Carburetors. Some carburetors got a switch where you could make the gas turn on, make the gas turn off, maybe a 80 cc whatever. I got an 80 cc carburetor and I got a 49 cc engine. See, you look at the carburetor and it's a fan switch. It's like a it's like a little switch that go up and down, not that go around like this. That's the thing that makes the gas go inside the carburetor. Don't fuck with that if you got an 80 cc thing that got that type of switch too. Turn the switch up. I mean turn it off. Shut it. The fan. And then when you start pedaling, it start making that popping noise. And then you would think that it's gonna get you all the way down the street, but it's not. It's just gonna make. When you turn the throttle up, it go oh. Work your way to the switch. Work your way on up as you go faster and faster. I mean, it's gonna save you a lot of energy. I know that shit. It's trying to go like 6 miles per hour, and I only could go 5 miles per hour. So it's gonna try to go 6 miles per hour as you pedaling, and you work your way up, and you hold the throttle at the same time. I'm not trying to stress you out, but that's the only how I got home. Other than that, it wouldn't have got me home. I would have been out all night. That's why I'm up 6 o'clock in the damn morning. Oh my God, it's actually 6. And then you turn it on. I mean, you work you gotta turn the fan on a little bit more, and then sometimes you don't want to turn on. God damn it! What the fuck happened to this goddamn shit? I can't find it. Damn, people in my business, man, all damn day. Anyways, I'm trying to help fuckery people out. You turn the fan on all the way. I mean, if you turn it on all the way, whatever it's not. I don't know the way it works, but it's not gonna. It's gonna go oh again. Then when you turn it up a little, it's gonna. Sometimes you don't have to turn the damn fan on all the way. That's all I'm trying to say. Uh, trying to share some shit, man. That shit. damn, people crazy out here. I could die and shit. I gotta hurry up and make the video before I die. God damn it. You crazy, I've been here since the 80s. Just a little bit younger than Bow Wow. Bow Wow 25. Okay? Bow Wow's 20 as a 25-year-old man. And when I say I'm 1.7 years younger than Bow Wow, it's the way it is. But wait a minute. Sorry about that, but that's what you do, thanks for having patience to get. Is this shit working? Damn it, what the hell happened, man? Get up there. I had to remake this because it's pissing me off. Really, it is, literally. Anyways, about my long hair. White boy said I should get a cut, or do something with it. Where's that damn hat? But with this, it makes dress look exactly better. I was about to get a perm on this bitch. And that little nephew said, "No, don't get a perm. That's not what that's for. You're supposed to get it retwisted." Okay. White boy said I should tighten up a little bit. So damn tired, but that's what you do. Trying to explain, but I keep thinking about other shit at the same time. I ain't supposed to be in my brain, but that's. When it's going, ooh, when you turn the fan on, and you mix it and everything, with the right ratio. When you turn the fan off, it's gonna crank up immediately. But it's not gonna make it so that if you put the throttle, it'll go 30 miles per hour and all that shit. But it got me home. When it wasn't for that, I wouldn't have got home. Cause I wouldn't have had time to keep going down that hill, trying to crank it up. So I tried to go do that. I come back up the hill. It take me about 5 minutes to get up. Then go back down the hill. Bing, 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 bing.